Hello and good day to you, Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe. My name is Maria Silva and I'm Destiny's current special education teacher. And here joining me is Destiny's general education teacher, Mr. Franklin. First of all, I would like to thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe, for joining us during this time, which will be your first IEP meeting. It's very exciting to have you here and to discuss Destiny's education program. So in order for prior to starting our IEP meeting, I would like to let you know that there's going to be more people joining us and more professional just in order to meet all of Destiny's needs based on her current learning diagnosis, not that she has been diagnosed. So according to IDEA 2004 and section 300.321, there should be at least 7 individuals or around 7 individuals which will be composing Destiny's IEP team members. This one will be you, Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe, has Destiny's parents. It will be at least one general education teacher, such as Mr. Franklin himself, at least one special education teacher, such as myself. There will be a representative of the public agency, and then an individual who can interpret Destiny's current evaluation results and then tell us what they mean. And the next person will be under your discretion and your knowledge, and then other team members' knowledge. They can be another individual who is a professional or knowledgeable of Destiny's diagnosis, and then our final but not least member will be Destiny herself. Now I would like to let you know, Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe, the roles of each of this member and how we are going to be helping Destiny in order to have the most appropriate education in order to achieve her goals and to be as independent as possible and to maximize her learning opportunity. Not that she has been diagnosed with a learning disability, as well as not that we know she's going to be in an inclusive classroom. So each of these individuals are you, Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe, has Destiny's parents. You both have a very important role and very crucial and valuable information, because we're not going to be able to get that information from here from the school setting. You as Destiny's parents know her background, her knowledge of the her knowledge, the things that she likes and dislikes, the interests that we can use in order for her to learn. You also know her learning style and the things that she may struggle or subject she struggles at home and at the school setting. The next individual of the IEP team here in Destiny's, it will be a general education teacher such as Mr. Franklin himself. At least one is necessary, but Destiny does have Mr. Franklin, whose role is to implement a general education curriculum. Due to Destiny is going to be inclusive, she's going to be part of an inclusive classroom. Therefore, it is very important for us to know and to work on Destiny's goals in order to implement them and make her be more comfortable and more more part of her general education classroom and classmates. The next person will be a representative of the school's of the school system. This individual may be another special education teacher besides myself, a coordinator, a school coordinator, or an educational coordinator, as well as a principal. This individual has also a very important role, just as any other individual. This person, though, in a specific, will be responsible to implement the required needs or services that Destiny is going to be needing, either on her special education setting or in her general education setting, has any other resources that she may be in need of. And then this person will also make sure that Destiny will have them available prior to her starting her education in her first class. To continue, we have someone to interpret Destiny's evaluation report. In this case, it can either be a school psychologist or a diagnostician. Destiny will be having a school psychologist whenever Destiny is going to be having a test, or she already had the test based on her diagnosis. This school psychologist, is going to be able to explain to us her scores and where Destiny is standing at the moment and what we need to work for and towards. To continue, we have other individuals knowledgeable of Destiny's special diagnosis exceptionality, or this individual may be a family member, a relative member, another paraprofessional, other professionals that is knowledgeable of Destiny's specific learning disability, or it can also be a speech or language psychologist. This is very important, and this can be based on your Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe requests, or any requests based on the IEP team members, and we all need to be in agreement of. To continue, it will be a special educator. According to IDEA, there should be at least one special educator, which it will be myself. However, there may be other special educators that you can bring in, or that person may be brought in by the school district. The roles of us as special educators is to implement the IEP goals that we're going to be deciding today in order to be implemented in Destiny's education. These IEP goals will be formulated today during the actual IEP meeting. However, I as special educator will be implementing them in class in order for Destiny to meet those goals. Also, I will be modifying tests. So whatever tests Destiny will be having in her general education classroom, those tests will be modified in order for Destiny to meet her needs, as well as modify the general education curriculum. It is important, that's why Mr. Franklin is here, to implement the general education curriculum due to Destiny is going to be in an inclusive classroom. However, that curriculum is not going to be necessarily the same for Destiny. It will be modified for her own needs in order for that to be fair and for Destiny to learn correctly. Lastly, but not least, it will be Destiny herself, the last team member. So she might not be part of all her IEP meetings, which is normal because she might be at school. However, when the first IEP meeting, like today, she may be present over important decisions such as her moving up to a different grade or moving up to a different school. The transition might be easier, and it will be better to introduce her to those changes prior to her to actually experiencing them. So this will be the individuals that are going to be part of Destiny's current IEP team. There may be some changes, or there may be some inclusion on this additions. There may be some additions to this IEP team. If you have any questions, Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe, the rest of the IEP team, shortly. But please, you may feel free to reach me or Mr. Franklin if you have any additional questions. It has been a pleasure to meet them, and we'll see the rest of the IEP team members shortly. Thank you for your time.